When you play a game, there's at least a small amount of preparation. Oh, you missed that one. Really? But I gotta know. What? Oh, you don't want this one? You want that one? But they're the same. Oh! Oh, now you want this one. You ready? Okay. Oh! You almost got it, buddy. Woo! What? The pink tennis ball of terror strikes you. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, dude. There you go. Whoa.
Oh no!
Oh man! Oh, that was a really good one, bud. Oh my goodness, that was a beautiful catch, buddy. Yes. Come on, you get it. Come on. Come on, you can get it. Come on. Take it. Come on. You got it. Come on, jump. Okay. Oh my goodness, buddy. Grabbed my arm with his paw and tried to pull my arm down. Oh my goodness, I was right. 19 minutes, and the kitty cat has entered the arena.